So hi everyone, this is Kangs. I want to show you maybe a simple setup that I was using right now to record my DJI Osmo Pocket 2 walk around review. And I used my phone as a monitor because I was reviewing when I'm at the side, and I'm using Nikon D750. It does not have a tilting screen, but it cannot come on the side. So I used my phone. I used the video capture card and a mini HDMI cable to connect to my DSLR, so I could see everything that I'm doing. So to watch the video, I'll put up the link. I'll be working on the video, then I'll put up the link. So you can see the walk around for the DJI Osmo Pocket 2, which I'm using right now to record this short video. So remember to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to watch that video. It's coming up. So it was like a simple setup for self-recording when you don't have anyone to record you. So you have to make everything convenient, holding the mic, having a monitor facing you so you can see everything. It's just turned off by itself. I think it's timed off, or the battery died. So I don't know why it's just went off. Anyway, thank you so much everyone. Let's see you on the video once I upload it. Thank you. Goodbye.